Hello everyone, this is Bilal. So today I want to show a system that I built to automatically collect childcare and daycare leads across the United States. So this Python script that I have created will, instead of manually searching city by city, this script will automatically scans hundred of cities and zip codes and extract structured business data for us. Now let me show you how does it run and show you guys results. Now, if I run the script, you can see in the terminal, it will pop up a playwright window. So if I wait, you can see it has automatically popped up a window for us. Now this will go ahead and automatically put all of the keywords and zip codes and everything and extract the data for us. Now I will fast forward this a little bit and show you guys the end results. So I have stopped the script actually at a few listings, but I can run it to scrap all of the leads. So you can see this turns hours of manual research in a fully automated lead generation pipeline. So systems like these are very useful for agencies, startups, and research teams that need structured business data at scale. Now, if you like this video, please feel free to connect with me here on LinkedIn, and thank you for watching.